All right, so we made it to Tire Kingdom. This was actually pretty local to me, and they have the in-ground, like the flush mount alignment rack, which is so nice. So today, getting that fresh alignment for the good old Mark II. All right, boys and girls, fresh alignment on the Mark II. Now we're dialed and good to go. He said the toe is out pretty significantly, which I figured it was. Once we lowered the car down a bunch more, I could see the wheels kind of poking opposite directions, but I didn't have time for rod run to actually go. But now we're set, dialed in, ready to go, and not gonna destroy our tires because that's never good. Oh yeah, so much better now. Wheel nice and straight. Also, the main reason I want to get this done today, because either tomorrow or Friday, going down to Orlando to Prezi's shop to have the windshield replaced, and I didn't want to do a bunch of driving with the toe out. I've done like local driving, and I started to see the tires chop a little bit, but to do like an hour there and back would probably cause a good amount of wear on the tires. So now we're lined up, ready to go, and next I will have a nice fresh windshield. I will miss the massive crack, but it's for the best. You already know how to make a stop at good old Buc-ee's. You know, I don't know what it is, but the kind of just straight chaos that is Buc-ee's, I love it. There's always like everything going on, and it's a madhouse, and it's so much fun. People are just honking. It's a great time here. I love it. I genuinely I love it here. All right, good morning. It is currently Friday, and today we are getting a brand new windshield for the Mark II. The crack's going away. I know, again, I know you guys love this, but brand new windshield. No rock chips, no massive cracks. It's gonna be so nice. Also spent some time yesterday with the metal polish. Got the exhaust tip all shined up, and I got it moved up quite a bit. And there's actually another piece on the back where this rear pipe connects to the muffler. I can loosen it up and actually shift the entire thing that way, so we'll get it perfectly dialed in exactly where I want it. But at least the nice polished tip looks so good on the car. All I know, the Mark II is coming along so nicely. All you guys have to do, just trust the process. Trust it. My tire, that's been holding air for like, I don't know, a week and a half now, she is completely flat. So Prezi's shop is right up the road. I'm like 200 feet from the shop, but I'm on this road right here, and I get this super weird like back and forth like wobble to the car, and I'm like, there's no way I'm about to lose a wheel right now. Like I didn't have any like loud like thump kind of sound, but I was like, there's no way I'm about to lose another wheel. Like it's not about to happen. So I pulled in here quick, and I got out of the car, like all the wheels look fine. Nothing's like kind of sitting weird off the rotors. Everything's good. And I noticed that back tire is completely flat. That's when I had fixed and resealed, and it held fine for like, I don't know, a week and a half, drove it all over the place and no issues. And then today she said no more. Even before I left the house, I checked all the tires, everything was good to go. So between the time I left my house and now, we've lost everything. Like I used the gauge here, it literally read 0. There's nothing left in it. So thankful that Prezi's shop is literally right there, but like, that's annoying. So I guess while we're doing the windshield today, I'm gonna pull that back off. There's tire shops around here. We'll have to go try and get it sealed again. Maybe use some of that like that bead seal kind of stuff, or there's like that stuff you like put inside the tire that finds the leak and fills it. One or the other, but like I can't be having this. I'm just glad, man. I thought for sure a wheel was coming off, and I was like, not again. This cannot happen again, but we're okay. The tire might be a little bit warm. I mean, it just happened like literally like 30 seconds ago. So I didn't drive very far in it, but like, but we made it. It's fine. We got a brand new windshield. Oh yeah, this one's crack free. He said the crack adds character, and he's not wrong. No. We'll miss it. It's crazy to see how much like you don't notice all the rock chips. Do you have like brand new glass and just how clear it is?
Oh yeah, definitely.
So this one's the Trival brand? Trival?
That's
out of Tampa, you said. He found this one.
Out of Tampa.
But just go like, I don't really mind what it is as long as it's crack free. Like I'm good, and it has like a nice looking seal on it. So like we're set.
You're gonna be able to drive to when it's a Mark II.
So I'm probably gonna trailer the car to Mark II Mayday, but it's in May 4th of next year. We could drive it, but like I don't know. And I just had a flat tire, so like if I could just trailer the car and avoid all problems, that'd be best case scenario. But yeah, no, we'll have a nice windshield. And actually, this one here is not original either. I'm not sure. I can't see the brand anymore, but this one's also been replaced at some point. But like these ones are all the original ones. You can see the stamping on them. So it's original. That's original. This one's original. So as long as it's crack free, like it is what it is.
So
oh, the seat's right there. Got years of dirt in there.
yeah, I should take it off.
That's awesome. It's a 3D printed VR6 like head gasket.
That's you can say the head gasket.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Or go, the top of yeah.
No problem.
My man knows the VR6 life. That's so cool. Solid. So let's see where the leak is at in the wheel, and then this is almost out. I think he's got this whole section cut, this section cut, and he's working on the bottom section now, and she's coming out of there. Yeah, no, like there, and like there, right there, there. What's your deal? You know, it has all the leaks. There's like 2 on this side, 1 on that side.
Yeah, and we don't know if there's anything on the back. You know what I mean?
Well, that's annoying. But then it was just good. And I checked before I left the house and it was like good. And then sometime all the way here it said
like rowdy.
yeah, no, that's good stuff. We don't need to have air in the tire.
That is rowdy. Oh.
Well, aside from that, my windshield's gone. So that's cool. Crack windshield officially out. And he's saving my 50th anniversary rod run sticker. Appreciate you.
There you go.
I think it was cracked there, the whole section here up to the top corner. The fact this winter didn't like cave in on me is kind of a miracle. I drove this car quite a lot with this thing, but it's fine. Everything's fine. Anything I need to do up here while this is out? Do a little cleaning up here. Should we bolt in this? No, maybe not. I don't know. Well, look at that. The Mark II is officially windowless for the time being. It looks so good with fresh glass. Oh, it's so clean. That's terrifying. Professional. That was solid. Oh, it's so clean now. Oh, it's so clean. This thing came out so good.
Yeah, man. This guy's
Brand new car. Now we still have to address this issue, but like, I got a fresh windshield, so you know what? One step at a time. Man, that looks so good, especially from like in here. Just like looking through, oh, it's beautiful. Not a rock chip, not a scratch, not a nothing. Woo! Absolutely gorgeous. We'll see if this fixed our issue. We gotta do a serious clean, but it looks like the good old slime sub did its job. We had several spots leaking, but we actually put it in the tire, flipped it upside down, like worked it around the front tire was leaking, and I think we're good now. It's holding a solid like 45 psi. So we'll check it in a minute and make sure it's still holding, and we'll spray it again. But I think we hopefully fixed it. And I don't know why it keeps leaking, which is super annoying, but hopefully that solved our problem. All right, I think we're on like not like take 2 or 3, but we flipped it back over. We had a small leak on this side, flipped it over again so that stuff can kind of like sit more around here. And now, I mean, it's still holding pressure. We had a very, very slight leak. Before we had like 17, but you can see we got soap everywhere. It's holding like 47 psi right now. I don't got any bubbles at all. Gonna let it sit for about another 20 minutes, and I think we're good. I hope. It was good before, and then it decided to die, but now we have all this in there. So hopefully this actually like fully seals the bead and there's no problems. And these aren't 3-piece, it's a 2-piece wheel, so there's no like inner seal there. So it's only gonna leak from either this bead or that bead, that's it. But the rear is good, so hopefully no more issues. All right, we've been here for a hot minute, mainly because of that, but she's up, weight on her, holding air, we spray it down, there's no leaks. I can only hope by the time I get home, we're still good. So just get it together, wheel. I can't deal with you any longer. But the new windshield, massive thank you to Axel. I actually have his business card right here. If you want to hit him up, Central Florida area, he will come out, do your glass. Super nice guy, very professional. And I mean, look at this thing. Brand spanking new. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna cruise home, check that again later, but new windshield, the Mk2 just looking so good. If you're wondering, I'm over this wheel. Over it. Okay, we are officially home. Number 1, stoked to have a brand new windshield again. Thank you, Axel, hooking it up. You guys saw his business card. If you're in the Central Florida area, hit him up. He'll get you right. Brand new windshield. Super awesome dude. Now, on to, I don't know why, that back tire just does not want to hold air. We had fixed it. There was no leaks. I get off the highway. I feel it do a little back, little left, right shake kind of thing. I'm like, all right, it's on air again. Go out. It's like empty. Tire's still in fine shape, but I fill it back up, and I don't know. It's late. I just want to go inside and have some food. I'm over that wheel. I don't know what his problem is. It's a brand new tire. The rest are all fine. We already pulled it off, like took off the bead, checked everything, cleaned it. It was fine. It held for like a week straight. I don't know what his problem is, but I'm over it. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to be thankful every single day. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.